Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Fellow compadre here. This is the Market Beast edition. Guys, we're going to go over the Kodak, Kodk instrument, and I think I have a few levels I'd like to point out with you guys. So, of course, if you're interested or invested, rather, or thinking of investing, stick around to the end as we go over this and more. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's October the 11th, 2020. Current previous close of Kodak is going to be $10.01, actually up about 12, almost 13% for the day. Really nice move. Very aggressive. Now, we're going to take a very simplistic look at this thing to see what it needs, what levels it needs to get above, what levels it needs to respect in order to potentially turn this downtrend down. Turn this downtrend that's been going on in the price here ever since 2014 around January. Okay. So here's what I'm looking at. These are the 3-month candles here, guys. Macroscopic look, of course, always. The two important levels that I can personally see on the chart, if it isn't obvious enough, from the green and the red candles here. It's just take it back here, guys. So it's really simple. You just you take the move up here that happened back in January 2014-ish. We came up to about $34. Really nasty reversal candle here. And after that, the price just started to move down. We came up and, bounced off this line here at about $10.95, which is where the price is currently at, kind of hovering around now. And, of course, we kind of bounced one more time, but, of course, we broke below that line at $10. And, of course, you see what happened. We went all the way down to $2.50, okay? We went up, spiked above that line, quick rejection. So I think you understand, like, this stuff isn't really complicated, guys. I mean, these are the ranges that I'm looking at right now. If Kodak cannot get above $10.35 and it finds some resistance at this line and potentially gets rejected, it could get as low as about $4.80. Worst case scenario, it'd come all the way back down to $2.50. If that level holds and potentially consolidates, and it could actually get above $10.35, wow, man, that would be a very bullish outcome or potential setup, at least in my book, the way that I can see the candlesticks here. And it might be, it might be too late to even get any prices that low, but I'll just be patient and be paying attention to what goes on in the charts here. But it's clear to me that the resistance level is $10.35. Okay, I can see that very clearly on the 3-month here. Let's just go down just one level, see if we can see anything else differently here. Yeah, so see what I mean? Like, it went up, it had this extreme move all the way up to $60. Man, that was a very, very, very explosive move. But notice what happened the very next month. This candle closed below $10.35. Okay, so basically what we're looking at now is, okay, this candle right here, let's just zoom in here. This leads me to believe that the buyers or the sellers, it's kind of undetermined at this point, stepped in with this candle here. Let's just lighten that up so you can see it. They stepped in and they made this candle here. So the range, the wick and the range and everything is going to be at the high of about $12.51 and a low of about $5.51. This information, what I do with this is you can actually, I'll put a line here. This is for the monthly here, guys. Put a line there, and I'll put a line right here. Okay, so basically what I can see here is that whether the buyers or the sellers, I'm not sure who owns this range, but we'll probably know and do. Wait, hang on. Just looking at the volume here, guys. This actually might be a bullish candle right here that I just outlined. This candle right here, September the 1st. And this, believe it or not, may actually be a bullish candle as well. Okay. Just my way of understanding candlesticks and volume comparisons, guys. So what I'll say right off the bat, Kodak actually looks really good. As long as it stays above $5.50. If it stays above $5.50, it will likely, maybe it'll take some time of consolidating. That's fine. At least you'll have an opportunity to actually, participate in this thing. But I'm going to say right now, document this, that if it stays above 5.5 And then we'll probably have a slow grind all the way up above 10.35. We'll just come up above $12. And once Kodak gets its way back up to $21 and it kind of stays above 21, easily, easy. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but it will easily, in my book, make it all the way back up to $60. Easy. Even if not $60, dude, it's going to make it back up to $30. And right now it's at $10, so you're talking a 3x. Okay. But again, I'm not sure how long that would take, but it's very clear to me that if the levels that I just mentioned are respected, very easy, guys. $30, Kodak, here it comes. Okay. So that's all. I basically wanted to stop in and give you guys a little short-term Kodak prediction here. So yeah, that's all I got for you. Hopefully you found some informative information in this video. Hit that like button or leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there, rather. Leave me comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's Napoleon Macro. Go ahead and sign off here, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be catching you in the next video. Be sure to take care.